Whether it's electronic or some weird effect of my tongue and lips, there are times when the audio seems to stutter, producing a noise that means I'll have to re-record a section. So the next example that I have here is one that I call staccato. And this is very similar to the skipping. So staccato, is a sound that repeats. Or there's if you play music, it's a da-da-da-da-da-da, a real rapid kind of thing. So it's kind of a picket fencing kind of a thing. One of the problems we run into when trying when I'm doing these, I become very conscious about my reading speed, enunciation, try to pay attention to moisture levels and things like that, hydration and everything. So when I was recording this particular section, everything sounds normal to me. So when I play it back, this is usually a good. One of the problems we run. I have no idea what does that. At first, I thought that maybe my tongue and my lips were getting kind of tripped up. That has happened. Something kind of like that. I can't really fake it sitting here. But that doesn't explain this. This is something happening with the word. That doesn't sound like a tongue and a lip problem. That sounds like something electronically or something with the audio stream has actually been affected so that it just doesn't sound right. So let me see if I got another file here. The message in all of this that restates the thread weaving through the biblical narrative. Love is the message in all of this that restates the thread weaving through the biblical narrative. So this is the same thing here happening with the word narrative, where I don't really know how to describe it, so I called it staccato because it sounds like it's kind of jumping. Like it's getting, something's intermittently interfering with it. This happened on the Windows machine. It's happening on the Mac. No idea what's happening with it. I've traded out cables and recently just consolidated everything to make sure that the signal path is as simple as it can possibly be and to make sure that there's nothing that can be interfering with anything. But this sounds like a processing problem somewhere. So is it the DBX286S? Is it the Focusrite? Is it the microphone? I have no idea. But this is, again, one of those weird problems. When this happens, the only thing I can do is re-record. That's it. The next problem